In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to aid auto layout in Framer. If you've ever spent time nudging elements into place only to have everything break when the screen size changes, this will be a game changer. Auto layout in Framer helps your design stay organized and responsive by automatically arranging elements based on simple rules you control. Start by heading to framer.com in your browser. Once you're there, open your project so you're on the main canvas. This is where you'll see your pages, frames, and all the elements you're designing. If you're already working in a project, you're right where you need to be. Next, create a container that will hold the elements you want to organize. Click the Frame tool in the toolbar and draw a frame on the canvas. This frame is the parent that auto layout will manage. You can size it roughly now. The layout settings you apply will help it adapt. If your frame already contains elements, that's perfect. Auto layout will immediately take over and arrange them. With the frame selected, look to the right-hand properties panel. Find the layout section. This is the control center for auto layout in Framer. You'll see options that determine how items flow, how much space sits between them, and how the container grows or shrinks with its content. Choose the type that fits your structure, stack or grid. Pick stack when your content should flow in a single direction, either vertically like a list or horizontally like a row of buttons. Once selected, set the direction, adjust the gap between items, and add padding so your content has breathing room inside the frame. Alignment options help you pin items to the start, center or end, and distribution controls how extra space is handled. Pick grid. When you need two-dimensional control like a gallery or card layout, set the number of columns, tweak the row and column gaps, and choose how items wrap as the frame resizes. The moment you select stack or grid, your frame becomes an auto layout container. You'll see your items snap into a clean structure, and resizing the frame will reflow content automatically. Try dragging the frame's edges to see how items respond. Rename the frame to keep things tidy, and reorder items right in the Layers panel or on the canvas to change their position within the layout. That's it. By setting up a frame, opening the layout controls, and choosing stack or grid, you've enabled auto layout in Framer, giving your design structure that adapts gracefully as you iterate in preview.